Go! You came to me. Excuse mo din ah. Tama yun sa kanila, sa kayo.
Paano tayo mag-present ulit pag
fast
sometimes.
Kasi yung...
Gusto mo dito na lang?
Dito na lang, no?
Sige, try natin.
No, they have...
Tago na lang ako dyan.
They timed it with...
Pangit eh. Sige, dito na lang.
We end with...
dito.
Boog, boog.
Kayo din naman.
I'm supposed to end on the floor. May nakikita?
They cut it in between our, like, we do 1.5. That's what I mean. But they time it with, like, a real ending, like, supposed to end there.
And, okay
Yeah, the steps end there, tapos it begins another step.
Panty ko yan. Totoong panty ko.
Sabay yung dalawang group?
So, how are we supposed to end?
Hindi, ang sinabi ko lang, nagkakulang kayo kasi hindi kayo sabay.
Yeah.
Kasi ang kanila tama.
We're off.
Okay.
May kulang kayo na. Pero just in case man, parang di rin naman nila alam.
Oo, pero sa beat may kulang sila.
Tayo sakto na.
And we go, when we're this, it's off. Too fast.
Gusto niya yung ulitin?
Yeah.
Sige. Tanggalin ko na ito.
Ito.
You can sing.
Ito?
Kahit ano.
Kasi sa atin may concrete na end. Ang 8 count yung end. Okay lang yun. Tayong lahat, ganyan. Hanggang.
We're supposed to be like that. Gusto ko yung inano ko na lang. Pihilit mo. But it's better. One more. Start agad tayo. We didn't mess up as bad as the first one. Yung ganun.
I noticed I went too fast.
Why did I pick this song? I hate this song. Wait lang, sabay kami. Okay.
Para at least alam namin kung yung in-sync ko.
Thank you.
Just to check ko.
Okay.
You came to me.
It differs. Yeah. Sorry. No, let's put one more. Once more.
Yung ending.
Oo.
Kasi may ending na boobs.
Oo.
Nakatapos kayo ng 8 count.
But ours is different. They have,
You have...
we have this one, and we go 1, 2.
So you're not supposed to be in sync.
I don't know. Are we supposed to be in sync?
But that's, we're back to the first
Kung
step.
sino pa pwede. Kasi pinapawisan pa
The
ako.
first routine.
Yeah, but you do it twice, right?
Dalawang tao?